About blow all that shit on. I just work on my shit and get out some fuck sometime. I don't know how to get it out and get on the bike sometime. I hold my BMW up, I ain't want to get the low bike, I ain't got nothing to lose. I ain't got nothing else to do once I got me BMW R1200GS, the fastest goddamn motorcycle in the fucking world, period. Ass motherfucker for high speed cruising. It is the goddamn one, it is the best, and I love it so much. I ship them gears and it's got 900 cc's of power. Mag wheels rolling on them Avon tires, my lord. Disc brakes, double disc up on the front sometimes. Lightweight suspension sometimes, so that unsprung weight just makes them damn thing work on that. You just touch them brakes, you come to halt. You touch them gears, you gone. You just run up through them gears sometimes. You gone, got the shaft down, get on that BMW, I'll get on that thing. Wish I could get everything, I'll haul ass. I'll be going so goddamn fast sometimes, impressing myself. I'm pressing myself as far as I can, be pressing as far as I can. She's like you pressing and pressing and pressing and keep going far. Sometimes you keep pushing on, wondering what the fuck's going on. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing it? Whole goddamn road just becomes a blur. You hit fifth gear to 110 miles an hour and that BMW runs over 125 and everything's just a goddamn blur. And you just hit the road every now and then and it's just a straight line like riding a turbine. There would be no way to stop if something ran out in front of you. There'd be no hope. It'd just be all over with, and yet somehow just keep on going. Sometimes nothing just ever runs out in front of you. You just keep on going after a while. It's just one blur and the dots look like it's dots and the lines in the road looking like dots and everything's a blur beside you like that. You don't know what you're doing. You're just running on something and breaking on down. You